Hello, do you know Nigeria is not eligible to make money online through Facebook? And for you to make money online through Facebook, you have to have a page, or you turn your Facebook profile into a page. So for you to do that, I'll be showing you how to turn your Facebook profile into a page. For you to do that right now is to click on this area where this arrow is pointing at right now. Once you tap on it, you see that area where they wrote turn on professional mode. Hit on it. Allow it to load. Then you see where they wrote turn on. Once you tap on that turn on, where the arrow is pointing at right now, please follow this tutorial step by step so that you can just start making money ASAP on Facebook. So once you tap on it, let's allow the network is bad right now. Let's just allow it to load up. Okay, yeah, it has loaded up. So you have successfully turned your profile into a page. Right now you can be eligible to earn money once you have 5,000 followers and 60,000 watch hours. You can start making money, and it is very easy to do that, to start making money on Facebook. So your profile now, you never see the add friend. Anybody that come to your profile now will not see add friend, you now see follow. So once they start following you, you start growing. And please make sure to create helpful content on your profile. Let's make this oil money right now. So please do well to subscribe to this channel and share this video if you find this interesting. Bye for now.